Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this second video, I'm going to show you the first floor of this building. This is the door for the entrance, which probably needs to be replaced because it's all worn out and it has been rotten down here. So a really nice looking door except for down there, but just because of that, we're going to have to replace it. Once you come inside, you have this space for your clothes, and then you come here, and then you have the trim on the windows has to be replaced because the windows look small just because the trimming is huge. I think the ceiling right here needs to be taken off because I think the ceilings are higher in here. This partition has to be taken off too to make the whole room look bigger. And here you can see there is drywall on this wall. Then there's wallpaper and perhaps another 1 or 2 layers of wall. Then you have the actual ceiling up there. So this has to come off, and this is what it looks like in here. Let's go to this one bedroom. It's small. You have a space here, and then the stairs to go to the second floor makes room here for storage. And here you have a small space for a bed. Perhaps if we take this radiator off, a bed can fit here, and maybe move the door to this corner, but I'm not sure yet. I don't know if we can do that, or perhaps keep the bed on this space, and perhaps we can actually close that side to make it a small closet or a bigger closet, including this side. We'll see. Now, here's another bedroom. This is a small bedroom too. You also have paneling. You also have a drop-down ceiling that we need to take off. This one actually does have a closet. It's not too big, but it's not very small either. We might leave that there. And there's electricity running outside the wall. We're gonna put it inside the wall so it doesn't look like that. Now that we're in the bathroom, you have some nice tile down here that needs to be replaced. This bathroom looks bigger because it's taller. The ceiling is still, I think, on the original height. Not sure. But maybe if there is a layer of drywall, maybe it's just a small layer. You have tile. And then here again you have the drop down ceiling. I can see a stud right there on the corner to the right. And here we have a bigger bedroom. Perhaps the bed was right there in the center. Let's see the other side. Here's a closet to the right. So we're gonna get rid of that as well. Lastly, we have a kitchen. This one is configured a little bit different. You have the range here and the sink right next to it. You have some cabinets, and then you have this island. And we can probably rearrange the kitchen to make it a little bit more functional, but I'm not sure about it yet. Here you have the fridge right in the middle, which I don't like it being there. Perhaps it'll probably be better to put it on a corner somewhere, maybe on that corner. And without the radiators being there, perhaps it gives it some space. But at the same time, you have windows, so I don't want the sun to be blocked. So perhaps we could put the fridge right here on the corner to the right, and then maybe the sink on the very corner, the range perhaps on this side, I'm not sure yet, but this is what it looks like now. And then you have a small space here to put away some things. And that's for this first floor. So now we have a video for the second floor. Now this is the first floor. And now let's go lastly to the basement. So I hope you keep coming back to see the transformation. Feel free to share your positive feedback and perhaps good ideas. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.